Alright y'all, she's dusty, musty, and a little bit crusty. Hibernating in the barn. Horses have been gone for probably 2 months. Really haven't used her. That's going to change because I got a lot of winter projects to do. So, this is my redneck handle for the time being anyway. Had a piece of 1/4-inch stock. Put some threads on it. Screwed it to the handle. It seems to be working okay. The line, this one I could have probably gotten away with a bit shorter, but that's okay. It's not hit, well, I did wire tie it here, zip tie it, and it doesn't hit anything. Actually, nothing hits anything. I did put the fender back on with 2 bolts, and I've got quite a bit of clearance in here, which makes me happy. I honestly thought that this hose and apparatus was going to be really close to the fender, but it's not. 13, I believe it's 13 connections all in all. I have 1 leak, and it's right there. And of course, it's coming from this connection here. I've taken it apart, cleaned it, and resealed it, but it's still leaking. So I'm kind of leaning towards the fact that it just might be a bad fitting. Overall, I get this handle squared away. This is going to be awesome. I'm really pleased with the way this turned out. And it was a bit costly, a little time consuming, but yeah, it worked out. Shot of it from the front. And yeah, that really irritates me that that's leaking. It's the only leak I've got. So, probably just go buy a new fitting. Hopefully it's not the hose. But if it is, it is. I'll just return the hose and get another one. The other side where the block is on the 1050, I believe on the 850 and maybe the 750, this block is on the right side. So overall, I fixed that leak, take care of my handle, and we're going to be done. Good to go. I put the fender on with 2 bolts just because I hated the way it looked with no fender. So guys, if you have any questions, comments, complaints, just post it. And as I've said before in a lot of my videos, I hate it when people make videos, you ask a question and you never ever hear from them. But I really do try to reply to everything. So enjoy your day, and we'll talk soon. Take care.